The era of chatbots that just wait for your command is officially over. We are standing on the precipice of a new industrial revolution, one driven not by simple language models, but by autonomous digital agents. Today, we are looking inside the engine room of this shift with Alibaba's latest move. They aren't just upgrading their software. They have unveiled a specialized homegrown chip designed specifically to handle multi-step tasks and has rebuilt their entire cloud platform from the ground up for agent autonomy. This isn't just an incremental update. It is a strategic pivot that could redefine the global semiconductor race. In this video, we will break down exactly how this new hardware architecture allows AI agents to think, plan, and execute complex workflows without human intervention, why this specific chip design is a game changer for cloud computing, and what this means for the future of business automation. The fundamental problem with early artificial intelligence was that it lacked physical context and memory continuity. Models were great at answering questions, but terrible at executing multi-step tasks without constant human supervision. They would get lost if a step failed or required a decision based on new data. Alibaba has identified this bottleneck as the primary barrier to true AI adoption in enterprise environments. Their solution is the Xuantai C950, a custom central processing unit engineered from the ground up to handle these complex agent workflows. Unlike general-purpose CPUs optimized for human-computer interaction, the C950 is designed with a specific architecture that prioritizes the state management required by autonomous agents. This chip allows AI systems to break down massive problems into smaller, manageable subtasks and execute them sequentially without losing context. Imagine an agent tasked with researching a market trend, compiling a report, booking a meeting based on availability, and sending out summaries to stakeholders. In the past, this would require stitching together disparate tools with fragile APIs. With the Xuantai C950, the hardware itself is optimized to maintain the thread of execution across these varied operations. The chip triples the performance of its predecessor not just by raw clock speed, but by optimizing the memory access patterns that agents rely on when they think through a sequence of actions. This means agents can plan further ahead and execute faster, reducing the latency between an idea and its execution from hours to mere seconds. Hardware alone is not enough. The environment in which these chips operate must change as well. Alibaba has not merely slotted the new Xuantai C950 into their existing cloud infrastructure. They have rebuilt the platform itself to be native to agent autonomy. Traditional cloud computing was built around human-centric workloads, where resources were allocated based on predictable request patterns. AI agents, however, operate with nonlinear behavior and unpredictable resource demands. They might spike in computation when exploring a complex solution space or require massive memory bandwidth during planning phases. The new rebuilt cloud platform addresses this by providing dynamic resource allocation tailored specifically for agent life cycles. This infrastructure allows agents to connect seamlessly across the many businesses under Alibaba's corporate umbrella. Instead of siloed systems where an agent might stall because it cannot access a different department's database, the new platform creates a unified ecosystem where autonomous agents can traverse organizational boundaries with ease. This is crucial for scaling. An agent that can coordinate logistics, finance, and customer service operations simultaneously offers a level of efficiency that isolated tools simply cannot match. The cloud now acts as an operating system for these digital workers, providing the necessary sandboxing, security protocols, and tool integrations needed to let agents work independently yet safely within enterprise boundaries. The unveiling of this specialized chip signals a massive strategic pivot for Alibaba and sets a precedent for the entire industry. For decades, the semiconductor race has been dominated by general-purpose processors chasing raw computational density. The focus on agents changes the metric of success from how many transistors to how well can you manage state. By leading with this specific hardware-software co-design approach, Alibaba is sharpening its artificial intelligence strategy to focus on the practical application of AI rather than just theoretical capability. This move reshapes the global semiconductor race by proving that specialized silicon for agent tasks offers a massive competitive advantage over generalist chips. While competitors are still iterating on basic model scaling laws, Alibaba is investing in the infrastructure required to deploy those models effectively at scale. The implication is profound. Companies that adopt this architecture will see a compounding return on investment because their AI systems become more reliable and capable with every deployment cycle. It forces the rest of the industry to reconsider their roadmap. If you build a chip for humans, you are building for yesterday's problems. By focusing on agent autonomy now, Alibaba is effectively setting the standard for tomorrow's computing landscape, ensuring that when the next wave of AI complexity hits, their infrastructure will already be ready to handle it without modification. So what does this mean for you and your business? The shift from chatbots to agents represents a move from reactive assistance to proactive execution. Previously, if you wanted an AI to help you manage a project, you had to prompt it constantly. Now, with architectures like the Xuan-Tai C950, you can define the outcome, set the constraints, and let the agent handle the rest. This changes the role of human managers from micromanaging steps to overseeing outcomes. Consider a logistics company using this new infrastructure. Instead of an AI that just predicts delivery delays, they could deploy an autonomous agent that predicts a delay, automatically reroutes shipments, negotiates with carriers for priority shipping via API, and updates the customer's itinerary without any human touching their phone. This level of automation was previously impossible due to the limitations of general-purpose hardware and cloud platforms. As this technology matures, we will likely see a proliferation of super agents capable of running entire business functions like HR recruitment, legal contract review, or supply chain optimization entirely autonomously. The barrier to entry for high-level automation is dropping because the underlying infrastructure is finally catching up to the intelligence of the models. The future isn't just about smarter AI. It's about AI that can actually get things done on its own. Alibaba's latest move with the Xuan-Tai C950 and their rebuilt cloud platform marks a definitive turning point in artificial intelligence. We have moved past the era of theoretical models into an age where specialized hardware and autonomous agents are driving real-world productivity. This shift allows for complex, multi-step tasks to be executed seamlessly, transforming how businesses operate and compete globally. If you want to stay ahead of this curve, you need to understand that the future belongs to those who can leverage agent-based architectures. Don't let your strategy lag behind the hardware revolution. Hit like if you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our future, and drop a comment below telling us which industry you think will be the first